the game. More dress-ups. This is the other side. There's another one with some more costumes. Bananas. Cool. These mirrors are cute. And another display screen. So it's pretty cool. Well, I'm going to take a few more photos and then I'll put this on my YouTube video or YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.